If your microphone keeps changing its volume on its own, getting quieter or suddenly louder for no reason, don't worry, I had the exact same issue. Here's how I fixed it step by step. The main reason this happens is that Windows allows third-party apps like Discord, Valorant, or Steam to take control of your microphone. If these apps have a feature called auto gain or automatic adjustment, they can change your mic level depending on how loudly you speak. That's why sometimes your voice sounds too quiet and other times it's way too loud. So how do we fix this? We'll start by disabling Windows permission, which lets apps control your mic. Go to Start, Control Panel, Hardware and Sound. Then open the Recording tab and find the microphone you're using. Double-click it. Now head over to the Advanced tab. Here, uncheck both. Give exclusive mode applications priority. Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. This removes Windows permission for apps to adjust your mic automatically. But here's the thing. This doesn't always fix the problem completely. Some programs like Logitech G Hub, SteelSeries, or even Steam might still access your microphone and apply their own auto gain. So you'll also need to disable that setting inside any app that has it. Let's take Steam as an example. Open Steam. Click on Steam in the top left corner and go to Settings. Find the Voice section, scroll down and click Show Advanced Options. Then simply turn off auto gain. Do the same with any other software you use. If you see auto gain or automatic volume adjustment, make sure it's disabled. Hopefully, this fixes your problem. If it worked for you, let me know in the comments which app was causing it. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.